To another video.
Hi.
Beep, boop, boop, beep, boop, boop, beep.
Goober.
Oh no, not good. I have no Wi-Fi.
Goober, 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 goober.
I have no
goober,
Wi-Fi,
goober.
guys. So wait a minute.
Gunber.
Battle Cats.
Nah.
I choose you.
No.
Amongst all global issues, civil wars, financial crisis, terrorism, a brand new strategy is the Battle Cats. We found it too hard to fight back because these cats are too cute. We are powerless with our weak brain. We cannot stop their legion. Come to think of it, cats have war in the internet too. They have the best information technology systems, and you use them to look at cats. By the way, the developer of these Battle Cats was interviewed on TV and went like this: why is the new weapon a cat? And he answered, because I love cats. Are you serious? I just read what I've written. It's horrible, so horrible. I've forgotten how bad my writing was. My biggest mistake was I don't know who I am writing to. I remember my days as a kid. I wanted to be a major in the league, and now I want to be a millionaire CEO of a social networking service. If you have money, you don't need love, right? Yes or no? Whatever the answer is, I want to tell you one thing. The Battle Cats aren't so bad. That's pretty much it. That was it. Time to the game. I have played this before. Have you? Okay. Sahara. Let's go, guys. Just stick man. Anime girl with pistol. Buff cat. Wall. You know what? I'm bringing out the reinforcements, guys. I'm bringing out giraffe! Charge! Charge! Giraffe! UFO! Ninja cat! Cannon! Yeah! Giraffe! Charge! Charge! Yeah, guys, we won! Let's see what we can do. Fish. Fish. Cat. Red hat. Sexy. Rockstar. Let's go to the airport, guys. So, let's go. Where can we put this guy? There? 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 Or there? I think we should do it against fish. Guys, another match. Let's go. Egypt.
Egypt.
Woman I don't know, go! Woman that has no legs, go! Another one, let's go boys! Oh, let's go boys! Roll out! Cat in! Cat in!
Just slay up them.
Yeah, get them! Orange buffalo thing. Goat.
Just slay up it.
Very big goat. There. More. Ninja cats. What we're calling in ultimate reinforcements. Giraffe galloping in.
Bonk.
Giraffe galloping in. Ninja cat. Go. Cat in. Cat in. Giraffe. Ninja. Charge. All of you. Giraffe charge. Yeah, victory, guys. Ooh, new cat. New cat. Ooh. A lizard. Guys, should we be using this? This kind of feels illegal to me. Let's get more power with the cat cannon, yeah? Yeah. What's this? Guys, I got some. Want these stuff? Upgrade the research ability. Okay, another battle. I think it's gonna be our last battle of the day, guys. So just hold in. Anime girl with pistol. Go. Buff cat. Wool cat. Go. Brave warrior night cat. Go. Yeah. Get her. Yeah, shoot her, girl. Shoot him. Yeah. Yeah, let's go, boys. Let's go. Ooh. I'm gonna get this fancy cat. Oh, fancy. Ninja, I choose you. Cat cannon. Fire. Yeah. Giraffe, I choose you. Giraffe, I choose you. What was that? Is that the delinquent cat? The fancy rich guy? Oh, god damn. Sending in giraffe. What? More delinquent cat. Cat cannon. Fire. Ooh, superior rock. They say that technology is a product of convenience and we're getting cornered by said technology. But I think we're gonna end it here, guys. So, bye.